bat might have... We'll have to wait and see.
Well, the two songs there, Shahid Afridi obviously dissatisfied with the umpire's decision. But with two songs and with the ball flashing past the outside edge, umpire perhaps thought it hit the outside edge, and for sure, let's see. Pretty difficult to tell. It seemed as if there was a bit of a gap between the ball and the bat. Well, now he has seen the raised index finger. He has to go. It's 101 for 1.
Ijaz Ahmed is coming. He's given him out. Leg before. It's a full toss. Almost Yorker. Prakash took his time. And then Ijaz out.
And Mr. Prakash thinks that this is out. It's had hit him almost on the full. The ball is drifting in towards Ijaz Ahmed. Very vociferous appeal, and has been given out LB down for naught. I'm not too sure that wouldn't have missed the leg stump though. But the fever is on.
He's bowled in. He's played on. And again by Inzamam. That was away from his bat as he was attempting to play it. The ball's in the edge and gone back and hit the off stump. Now this is a big blow. They struck again.
Is he shot by Inzamam once again? This one not bouncing as much as Inzamam was hoping. There you see the bat away from the pad, getting an inside edge. That's a big wicket for India. He's gone for 6. Pakistan lose. That's 115.
So Yusuf Johan went out there for Pakistan. Again struck on the pad. He's given time. So wickets falling in a hurry here. It's number 4. Yusuf Johanna has missed without tickling the scorers. And look at the crowd.
Inquiring from Said Anwar. Where did he go wrong? You could just see, just went a little across the line. That one straightening on to hit the middle there. Decision is gone for naught. A straighter one from Anil Kumble, not spinning to hit the stumps.
What a transformation in the game. No one. 4 wickets have fallen after lunch. All to this man. He's been target. You can see from his face that he means business.
He's got him! Off the outside edge. It's a good catch and slip. Turned, bounced, and luckily Forga was in the air for a while. Gave him the time to pick it up inches off the ground. That is the end of Moin Khan.
No doubt about this. Ball bounced, hit him on the glove, and just lobbed to Ganguly. Had to come forward just a bit. Saurabh Ganguly right and slightly forward. But as Harsha Bhogle said, the ball looped on its way to Ganguly. Had enough time to get under it and took a very good catch. One pitch as soon as it hit the pad.
It's really getting them to hurry off the deck now is Anil Kumble and come down in time on that one.
He's given one up glove. Anil Kumble has taken number 6. Surely this must be all over for Pakistan. 128 for 6. But what is from Said Anwar?
I don't think there was this at all. Side batting well, but this ball again bounced, turned onto the body and just landed forward short leg. Absolutely no doubt about that. Side Anwar good knock, but it's come to an end. Caught by Latchman and forward short leg. It's 128 for 6.
This mark in that first spell, 5 overs done for 25 was part of a very, very morning session. Scoring runs at will. Now some runs on the board. Look at 2. They'll pick up runs here. They'll pick up 4 in fact. Doesn't need to run.
He's bowled him.
He tried that shot in the previous over. And the ball hurried on to him then, hit on. This time it was through him.
Mullen on that shot. Looked to be just up at the base of that one. There you see, just took the top of the bail. Disappointing end, Salim Malik. Yes, the moment Anil Kumble is gone for 15. Malik. Pakistan lose their 7th wicket for 186.
Being out.
That's up in the air, taken. Two-star. That's a lovely delivery that would have tested any batsman. Number 8, Anil Kumble.
Well, Mushtaq's expression tells you, what could I have done about that? Absolutely nothing. That ball bounced, straightened, and he had absolutely no chance of defending against that. Simple catch to the man at gully. Mushtaq goes for 1. Fought hard, but he's gone. 198 for 8.
No doubt about that, but it's quicker to the air. Anil Kumble got 9 wickets here. Pakistan 9.
Poor Sacklin. He's in a daze. That ball through his defence before he could even think too much about it. This was Anil Kumble. That was Sacklin Mushtaq, and that's the end of Sacklin Mushtaq. LBW Kumble for no score. 198 for 9.
Sachin Tendulkar having a word, Anil Kumble. Outfielder to be brought in from long gone. That bad. Anil Kumble has become the first Indian bowler to capture 10 wickets in an innings. In the history of Indian Test cricket, to have captured 10 wickets in an innings. Hugs from Srinath, Sunil Joshi.
Brilliant bowling from Anil Kumble. 10 wickets in an innings, that is not easy thing to do. He's only the second man ever to do that. Jim Lake of England, long time ago. 43 years ago to be exact. And now Anil Kumble. Yes, he must have been a very happy man when he saw that ball going in the air. And
they put on 101 for the first wicket, but thereafter this match was headed only one way. And though Wasim